we are taking the train here in Kuala Lumpur to immigration. See you soon.
Here in Kuala Lumpur, copping a swat after I eat this shawarma from Damascus. The line is the line from hell. It's wrapped around the building, so we had to get what they call a takeaway. So we're sitting on a stoop, me and Freddie, right here on the corner as we devour this delicious shawarma. It's amazing.
As we make our way into Lot 10 Mall, the first thing that catches your eye is the 32 Parfait store. The creamy swirls of soft serve is the kind of dessert that just pulls you in. But today, I'm saving my sweet tooth for later because we're headed to something even more exciting, Don Don Donki. If you've ever been to Japan, you already know Don Don Donki is an experience on its own. Part grocery store, part toy shop, part snack heaven, and totally chaotic in the best way possible. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by that iconic jingle looping in the background and aisles that are absolutely packed with everything you can imagine. And some things you probably can't. Right by the entrance, the first section is filled with colorful Japanese snacks, from crispy rice crackers and savory seaweed chips to those adorable boxes of Pocky and unique Kit Kat flavors you won't find anywhere else. There's even an entire aisle dedicated to ramen, from spicy Korean-style bowls to classic Japanese miso and tonkatsu flavors. But then comes my favorite part, the fresh food area.
Hey everybody, I'm up here, Don Don Donki, and I'm in sensory overload. I don't know what to do with myself. When you come here, you'll understand.
You can smell the fresh food area before you even see it. The aroma of grilled yakitori, takoyaki, sizzling beef bowls, and the sweet mochi. There's sushi laid out neatly in little trays, ready to grab and go. And the famous Japanese egg sandwich that everyone's talking about. Soft, fluffy, and surprisingly addictive. Further inside the store, it opens up into what feels like a little slice of Tokyo nightlife. You've got rows of liquor. And in case I didn't film it, upstairs, the beauty and skincare corner has shelves stacked high with face masks, toners, and serums, all neatly packed with Japanese writing and cute mascots. Right next to it, there's a whole section for household gadgets, mini rice cookers, quirky bento boxes, and even electric neck massagers that make you stop and think, do I need this? Probably. As you weave through the aisles, it's hard not to get a little lost in the best way. Every corner has something new, whether it's a row of collectible figurines or Japanese candies shaped like cartoon characters. It's bright, it's loud, and it's pure sensory overload. Before heading out, grab a cold drink to cool off, maybe a melon soda or a matcha latte. I finally give in. After all, there's no better way to end a shopping adventure than with something sweet. Hey everybody, welcome to our apartment/hotel here in Kuala Lumpur. Come on inside. I am very excited about this hotel. I actually found this watching YouTube videos and looking for a great place to stay in KLCC. And we are right here at the city center. Literally, the Petronas Tower is a block or so away. Let me show you. This apartment hotel comes complete with its own kitchenette. We've got a fridge, freezer. We've got a fridge. Woo! We've got a fridge. We've got a freezer. We've got the stove here, a microwave, and then a lot of your accoutrements that you need: toaster, tea kettle, and an espresso machine. And let's not forget the piece de resistance, which is, it comes with a washer and dryer. And actually, it's a washer and a dryer combo. Isn't that fantastic? Then over here, we were upgraded to this room. So we actually have a nice little living suite, which is wonderful. And Freddie, come on in. Show them this great view of what we asked for. What do you see out here but Petronas Tower, as close as we are right here? So we're right in the heart of Kuala Lumpur city center. All right, we're gonna move along. Because we were upgraded, it came with an extra little sitting room, if you will. So it's got a sitting desk and a little resting bed. And we're gonna use this as our luggage quarters over here. And it even has its own air conditioning unit. So if you wanted to sleep like a child or another person, you could do so. Over this way is our 1-bedroom suite, which is all we were originally supposed to get. Has a nice closet with an umbrella, and it's got his and her robes and slippers right at the bottom. But look, lovely, nice king-size bed. Let's do the test.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Feels good, feels good. All right, finally we end at the bathroom. We watch our step going down here. And come on, Freddie, come inside this way. It's like a shower suite. Inside, we've got the shower and we've got a soaker tub. So, nice soaker tub. So it's the best of both worlds. Oh, and they include all your shampoos and soaps and, if you will, body wash. And a nice granite or marble sink and toilet. And there you have it. That is our suite here at our apartment/hotel in Kuala Lumpur.
Can handle it, you can cook on top of it.
Okay.
Mix everything together.
All right.
So this is the national dish of Malaysia.
National
We
dish.
normally have for breakfast and dinner.
Breakfast and dinner.
Yeah.
Okay.
How bad it might be.
All right. I'm trying the national Malaysian dish that's normally served at breakfast. It's quite spicy.
It is. Depends on the shop. Some sell spicy, but the original flavor, it's supposed to be sweet and hint of spiciness. That's the original way of Malay cooking. But along the time, it has evolved. So it depends the chef from the shop.
And where is the crispy pieces again?
That one is anchovies, deep fried
Anchovies.
anchovies.
Deep fried anchovies. And it has
So everything
peanuts.
you can get in one meal. You can get the spiciness, you can get the sweetness, you get the creaminess from the coconut rice, the egg, which is the protein, and then cucumber. Everything you can find in one meal. For me, if you ask me, it's a perfect balanced meal.
This is where we just ate it. And now we are walking to our next stop on the food tour.
Black pepper with pork. It's raw. This will be spinach with pork. Do you want to try crab with pork?
Yes.
It's crab with pork, yeah?
Crabby pork, okay.
And shrimp with pork.
Well, I just finished having some dim sum, and I had my 3 different ones. One was mushroom, another was spinach, and the other one was chicken. They were very, very good. Yara tried hers. Hers was on the seafood side. I wish I could have had some, but let her explain.
I enjoyed my crab and shrimp dim sum. And then we also had a barbecue pork bao bun that was quite tasty. Typically I don't like bao buns, but this one, when the filling is this tasty and authentically Chinese, definitely enjoyed it. And we're enjoying learning about the history of Kuala Lumpur.
So we have lamb, chicken, beef, and our lemonade with tamarind.
All right. Go in and give it a whirl.
So let me go ahead. I'm gonna try the lamb first. I'm gonna dip it in the peanut sauce we have. Oh, yeah. Now that's good. It's nice, it's sweet. And it has that distinct taste of what you know, lamb. Nice and hot, fresh right off the grill. You can't beat that. This is good. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Hey everybody, we are here at Jalan Alor Night Market. We are trying all the different satays. We've tried the lamb, chicken, and beef over here. So I'm gonna go in and try some of the lamb satay. That does, it's very savory, a hint of sweet, a touch of spicy, but very good, like caramelized around the meat. So I really like it. I still think I like the Singapore satay a bit better, but I still give this an 8 out of 10. You can't see behind me. This is Jalan Alor. This is the night market where you can live all your seafood and durian fruit fantasies. Lots of fresh juices, seafood, and much more. See how crowded it is behind us? Ooh, that was stinky. Oh my god. That is the stinky stuff. Here on Jalan Alor.
a Malay dish. Also more like a snack. And rice flour. The water can do pandan leaves. Whenever you want each, that's two pandan leaves. Just
What's this called again?
teh tarik.
Day tare and
Ice lemon tea.
lemon tea.
So lemon here is calamansi.
Bottoms up. Bottoms up. Now I'm gonna try mine first. Oh, that's really good. I like that. It's like a tea with milk. You should try it. Try yours. Oh, I'm gonna try the iced tea drink now. That's good. I like that. That's refreshing. And then this is tea with condensed milk. It's really good. If you like English tea with cream, you would like this. Say again for me.
Chicken curry, dal made of lentils, fish curry.
This is how busy Kuala Lumpur is at night on a holiday. Even though it's a Monday night, the city is alive. With lots of little characters.
Thank you for watching.
Please like, comment, and subscribe so you're notified of our upcoming videos.